Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
After 7 years of being without a king, the people of Okoloba community happily chose Dr. Wes Alazigha from amongst their prominent personalities to take over the affairs of the community that has been under the leadership of a caretaker committee in the past years. It was a one-of-a-kind event as dignitaries from within and outside the community gathered at Abadani compound to witness the coronation ceremony of Dr. Wes Alazigha as the Opudani II of Okoloba community in Bayelsa State.
In a grand ceremony attended by sons and daughters of Okoloba community, royal fathers, clergymen, government officials, friends and well-wishers, Dr. Wes Alazigha was crowned and handed over the staff of office as the Opudani II paramount ruler of Okoloba Dani dynasty. It was a long week of celebration, dancing and jubilation for the people of Okoloba as they welcomed their new king, who was taking over from the caretaker committee that managed the affairs of the community since the demise of His Royal Highness Macpherson McCarthy 7 years ago. Some community members hailed Dr. Wedge's developmental effort work in the community and therefore emphasized that he was the right choice.
His community is very proud to have him, and we that are not from Okoloba, we know that they are privileged to have him, and his elevation to this role is well deserved.
The man has been development all over his years. Now that another crown had been added as a traditional ruler of Okoloba community, more developments will be coming.
Dr. Wes Alazigha is an illustrious son of the soil who hails from Okoloba community in the Kolokuma-Opokuma local government area of Bayelsa State. Dr. Wes has worked in various managerial capacity for different government establishments, including the NDLEA, NNPC and the NDDC. He still serves as the Director Administration and Human Resources with the NDDC headquarters Port Harcourt. Some of his well-wishers believe that having gained so much experience and connections, he has all it takes to bring the necessary development to Okoloba.
If he wants to develop anywhere, he knows NDDC, like our people say, knife knows everything about the inside of yam.
So now that he has come to take the throne, we think the expectations of Okoloba and Sabagria people is going to do more to the glory of God.
Dr. Alazigha, in his thank you message, appreciated Okoloba people and on behalf of the community, appreciated the Executive Governor, Senator Doye Diri, who was rightly represented by the Honorable Commissioner, Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Development, Chief Thompson Amule, for the construction of the Polako Bridge, which he said was the first alternative route to Yenegua.
Of Bayelsa State, we are so much aware of what they are doing, the Polako Bridge in particular, which we've been yearning for a long time. I know that in the next 6 months, we will no longer go through any far region.
In the same vein, he also appreciated the Managing Director of the NDDC, Sam Ogbuku, for the light installments in the community. Dr. Alazigha said some of his agenda for the community will be to ensure peace and see to it that the community continues to develop under his watch.
Inside the Niger Delta,